Samgyup again. Gutom na agad sila, guys.
Butter bitter tayo. Walang marble cream.
My favorite kimchi. First bite. Yum! Hi, guys! Vlog. Take over. And with Carl. And with That's and Jet. So, kumain kami ng samgyup, guys. And wala ako naiambag. Kasi... Yan. Guys, time check. 8:49. Dapat 9 o'clock tapos na kami kumain.
Sabi ba daw? Dapat 9?
Sabi daw. By 9 o'clock. Kami na po ang nagsarado ng Rombab. So much. Thank you po. Busog so much. Today is March 2, 7:38 p.m. Here's my order. Medium baby back ribs. There, another one. There. There and siyang. Pwede na. Pwede na sport na. Okay, that's it. Pwede na kumain, guys.
After breakfast tomorrow.
Isip mo to, tapos may
Rice tomorrow. Hi, ikaw.
Hi, guys.
Wala, kahit ano.
Time check.
Nasa inuman ka ba?
8:15 p.m.
Nakidnap po ako.
March 3. May nakidnap kami kasi hindi siya nagre-reply.
Wala talaga? Wala kang gusto?
So, pupunta kami sa... Saan tayo pupunta? Hindi pa namin alam kung saan kami pupunta.
Nice boy. Saka large ice cream. Yun ang sarap nito eh.
Carl.
Drinks nala.
Wala po, wala pong drinks.
Hi guys! Huwag kayo mag-bash! Wala, sabi ko hindi kami pwede palang mag-ulit ako na hi guys, ang ingay! Hey guys, nasa Wendy's kami. So, nag-drive-thru kami and then
Talaga?
I ordered Caesar salad. Guys, close na.
Hala, ang lalay ng bahay mo. Sana hindi ka nilang sinundo.
Guys, nag-aaway mo. Guys, nag-aaway sila!
Hey, your attitude.
English me.
Fix it.
Okay.
Close na after hours. So, after Wendy's, dito kami pumunta, then close. So, What now? Pronto kami. So, finally, coffee.
Kinachat na ako ng aming unit leader. Nasaan ka?
Later! Guys, kaya
na
dito
magkakape.
kami nag-coffee kasi yung isang bata ay wala lang. Gusto niya dito.
Maganda kasi yung place.
Yeah. So aesthetic.
Ito, tinuro mo ulit. Ha? Magkapel.
Go lang, go!
Tumambay ka na lang daw.
Puro green ang kinakain.
Nag-aaral lang may Paris na yun.
Guys, it's so hot. You see that? What's that?
Ibaba mo muna si ano. Ibaba mo muna si Peppa. Para you can eat well.
Guys.
Pagaling ka, magsiswimming tayo dito. Mamaya.
Okay. Hi guys.
Sa susunod balik tayo, may kasamang massage.
We're done eating.
Ate.
Oo, may libre ulit na eh.
It's so hot. We're now heading home.
Dito oh.
Samgyup again.